Alright guys, so I got my second box of OPC Premier 2007-2008. I really like this product, and in my first box I opened, I received as my best card OPC Premier pairings, number to 50, Wayne Gretzky and Lemieux autograph dual jersey. So let's bust this box. No. Right. Here's our whole package. Okay, so first card, Zach Parise, base card number to 299. I'll go to the back card first. So Jason Arnott. Oh, it's a parallel, number 75 of 75. Base card. There's Scott Gomez right there. There's a Milan Lucic rookie 4 jersey auto, number 299. Next card is Jaromir Jagr, New York Captain Rangers, number 128 of 199. I think I can see a redemption in the back. Let's see what we got here. Anze Kopitar, number 15 of 100, penmanship autograph. And oh no, it's not redemption, it's Mike Bossy, number 42 of 100, triple jersey. I'm guessing that's Hockey Hall of Fame or something. HOF. Anyways, not a great box. Got 2 autographs, 2 jerseys. Well, see you on the next break.